Hello, friend, and welcome to the My Library template for Notion. This is a full reading hub that helps you keep track of what you are reading, what you have read, and what you want to read while keeping it all organized and easy to find exactly what you're looking for at any point in time. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the whole template, show you some of the features that make it unique, as well as help you picture how it could simplify your reading. Some of the things that this template does are it helps track your whole bookshelf, not just books you're currently reading, but all the books you've read, including rereads, and books you would like to read. You can easily save quotes that are linked to the author, the book, and the series. You can organize your series so you always know what's next or what you've already read. You can filter things by genres, tropes, or tags to quickly find something that fits your current reading mood. Let's jump in and take a tour. Let's take a look at the main page of the template. This is the My Library Hub, and it has sections for your reading that includes views for what's up next, what you've read this month, and what you've paused. Then there are your to-be-read lists with different ways of viewing it, books you own for your home bookshelf, ebooks that you own, and reading statistics. I've also curated reading statistics for both users on paid accounts and free accounts. Below that, you have your reading goals, books and authors that you didn't care for as much, and series that you are reading or are your favorites. That is just the main hub of the template, but there is so much more included. You have a whole My Books page that is dedicated just to the books, with views for reading, pause, and your whole entire bookshelf listed out. It's easy to add a new book with the quick actions to add a new book and then enter information about it. Your to-be-read list no longer has to be a list that never actually makes it to reading. You have priority reads for books that you have marked as wanting to read soon, with easy access to start reading those and move them off your TBR list. If you like to plan out your reading in advance, you can assign books to each month that you want to read them and see them there. You can start reading it or move it to next month if you aren't going to be able to get to it this month. If you're going to purchase a book, then you can arrange it by the retailer that you're going to buy the book and keep track of how much it is and if you've purchased it yet. For library books, it's easy to see if you've reserved the book and if you've gone to pick it up. Then you have your whole entire TBR list right here where it's easy to see. On the authors page, you have quick access to your favorite authors, ones that you don't want to read again, and then your list of all the authors in your database. When you click on an author's page, you can rate them. It will show you a pre-calculated average book rating based on all of the books that you've read by them, a picture, and a chance to put a little note about it. Then you can see quotes that author has written, series by the author along with the books in the series, and then just a list of all of the books by that author. It's easy to add a new author by clicking the Add New Author button, and you can just enter your information right there very quickly. On your series page, you have your currently reading series. Maybe you're waiting for the next book to be published. It's a series that you are in the middle of, or maybe you're not sure about more but haven't decided to put it on a DNF list yet. Then you have your TBR list of all of the series that you would like to read and your favorite series. Below are all of the series that you have actually finished, along with a list of all the series that you have either started or want to read. When you click on a series page, it shows you the author, how many series are in there, the progress you're making, a series rating based on all of the books in the series that you've read so far, the status, any notes you want to enter, and all the books in the series. You can also see any quotes that were in a series and all of the books that are in a series. In the genres and tropes page, you have all of the genres with the number of books that you have read in that genre. Then it's easy to see all the books and any authors that have been writing in that genre. Here is a list of your favorite tropes, along with all of the tropes that are pre-populated. On the tropes page, you can see books that
have that trope or a series that include books with that trope. There are two different goals and statistics pages, one for users who are using paid Notion accounts and one for free. They both include the same information, but the page for paid accounts takes advantage of the Notion charts feature. Quickly on both pages, you can see your goals right up front and center, and it not only tells you how far along you are, but it tells you how much more you need to read to stay on track. You can quickly change your goals right here, and it will automatically update your goals overview. For books that you are currently reading, you can easily finish reading it right there, and it will automatically update that goal immediately. Then your reading statistics. For paid accounts, you can use all of the charts to see all your stats for how many books you've read, pages, and all of that. For free accounts, your statistics come more in table format. You can sort it out by month, see how many books you've read, the total number of pages, and the average number of days it took you to read a book. You can also see it for the year and see how many books you've read the year, the total number of pages, and how long it's taking you to read a book. In the quotes and review pages, you can quickly see books that you have recently reviewed, your favorite quotes, and quotes based on theme. Here on the left are books that you have read but need reviewed, a list of all of the quotes, and all the reviews. The template comes built with 3 different review systems: Copile, Peaches, and Reads. So you can use any or all of those, along with a way to track information about DNFs. The template has so many databases and pages, and they are all linked together. And every single one has video instructions on how to use it so that you feel confident using it as little or as much as you like.
So that was a quick look at the My Library template that I designed for Notion. I am a really big fan of simple systems, and at first glance, this can seem really overwhelming. But trust me when I say, although this template can be super detailed, you can also make it as simple as you wish. It's really up to you how you want to use it. If you're interested in the template, I will link it below. And if you're new to Notion, I have a beginner tutorial that goes through some of the basics like pages, databases, how they work, how to customize things, and how to copy a template. That way you can feel confident using it right away. Or if you'd rather do it yourself, I also have a video on how to build a basic reading log and book tracker. Make sure to check that out as well. Until next time, bye.